Dr. O'Keefe here at Northern Roots Family Spinal Care. Today's video we're going to talk about we're going to break it up into a few different videos as far as the different things that we offer here at Northern Roots Family Spinal Care to help with things such as neck pain in this case. Number one is what we call the chiropractic adjustment. So once we go through that consult, the exam, the different imaging, the x-rays that we take to figure out what's generating or what's causing that neck pain. It could be a spinal misalignment. It could be different things coming from the joints or the discs. It could be coming from the muscles. And we figure out what exactly is needed to make those spinal adjustments to help alleviate neck pain. And what's cool about the chiropractic adjustment is when we start to facilitate and move those vertebrae, whether we're using, again, we have various techniques. We have drop table. So this table that sits right down over behind me it has different drop table capabilities. So it's a little bit lighter versus the more manual type of adjusting that we can do. We have different, a variety of tables that we can use. And we also can use instruments that can also facilitate. So when we go through that exam, we can use a very light instrument to also make those adjustments in those areas. And when we do that is we start to make movement back into those spinal joints, which can affect the nerves, the muscles, the tendons, the ligaments to facilitate that healing response. And so that's number one. And we'll start diving into a few other of these different components that can be helpful.